new era of crop harvesting from John Deere with the S700 combine, the 700C and FC corn head, and the 700D rigid draper. Now I want to start by telling you guys some more about this new combine. From the side, there's one change that's pretty evident. There's a new number on this machine. We've evolved from the S600 to the S760, the S770, the S780, and the S790 combine. But when you look at the side of the combine, you go, the number is different. What else is different? The side kind of looks the same. And that's because this new combine has the new features built inside the machine. You're going to see a new level of machine optimization technology, because at John Deere we know how important it is for our customers to get everything they can out of these combines. You're going to see new levels of harvest information technology to help our customers make better agronomic decisions about harvest during harvest from the cab. And you're going to see new technology in our cabs and controls. Adam's going to talk to you about the 3 C's: common, custom, and comfort that we've built into that cab. Let's get started with that machine optimization technology. Randy already talked to you about Combine Advisor, and that video said it is a suite of 7 technologies that come together to help our customers set, optimize, and then automate that combine. Now what we haven't told you is what are those 7 technologies. Would you like to hear? Yes? All right. So the first one is we've got a brand new harvest setup application in this machine. Second, we've got the Vision Track Performance Monitor. Third, we've got the Interactive Combine Adjustment Performance Optimization Wizard. Fourth, we've got Harvest Smart Feed Rate Control System. Fifth, Automatic Terrain Adjustment. And 2 of the additional brand new features include those active vision cameras and the auto maintain feature. Now when these 7 technologies come together, we're helping our customers increase their performance during harvest while maximizing ease of use by automating. So out of those 7 technologies, I want to tell you a bit more about 4 of them, focusing on what's new or what's evolved. So we said there's a brand new harvest setup application. This is one screen that you go to in an application to get set up for harvest. It is a true one and done setup. And that theme of walk up easy, intuitive screens is going to be throughout the S700 combine. Because when it's time to harvest, it's time to harvest. And our customers want to turn that key, get set up, and get going into the field as easy as possible. And we've met that challenge head on. Second, I talked about Harvest Smart, which is automatic ground speed control. Now we've evolved that feature. We've had that in the market for a while, but we've evolved it to make it more user-friendly than ever before, with smoother unloading on the go and re-entry into crop. Talked about the all-new active vision cameras. These are 2 cameras in that machine, in the clean grain elevator and in the tailings elevator, that allow our customers to see live grain sample, to look at quality, to look at foreign material, and make decisions. But the customers aren't the only ones that are going to look at that camera. By the way, it's really easy to see those camera views. It's a button, push for live camera, and you can see the material flowing through the machine. Our combine itself looks at that visual data and processes it. And that's where the new auto maintain feature comes in. In 5 crops: corn, soybeans, wheat, canola, and barley. This machine, with the auto maintain feature of Combine Advisor, can use sensors and this visual information from the active vision cameras to understand and identify opportunities to automatically change the combine settings to maintain that optimal performance that the operator set. And it does that by changing 5 settings in the combine automatically. You got the cleaning shoe fan speed, the rotor speed, the concave clearance, and the chaffer and the sieve openings. So I've used the word automation quite a bit. This machine can sense opportunities to improve the combine performance as conditions change and automatically change those settings to maintain the optimal performance. That's going to bring a lot of value to our customers. It's going to help them maximize performance. It's going to help them maximize that ease of operation because we're automating. So no matter what level of operator is operating the combine, no matter what crop conditions they're in, Combine Advisor is there to partner with our customers to help them get the most out of their machines. That is not the only automation in the S700 Combine. I'm going to hand it over to Adam to tell you about some of the other new features.
Real-time decision-making utilizing harvest data is a key step enabled by the Combine. The S700 takes that step to the next level by allowing customers to order these machines from the factory with Active Yield technology installed. Active Yield is a series of load cells placed in the grain tank to automatically calibrate the mass flow sensor in 5 different crops, including corn, soybeans, wheat, barley, and canola. Now for the customer who has been calibrating frequently up to this point, they're going to realize time savings. For the one who hasn't, they're going to realize improved data that comes off of this machine. But that isn't where we stopped. If you think about where this customer is going to experience this, it's going to be from our new cab. Now this new cab unveils the next generation operator interface, centered around the 4600 Command Center display. This display provides us a shared platform with commonality between our tractors, sprayers, and nutrient applicator product lines. Now, that being said, this display has customizable run screens as well as an optional extended monitor for customers who prefer additional screen real estate. In addition, inside the cab, you'll find an ergonomically designed command arm and ergonomically designed key lever, customizable multifunction control lever that operators can program to their particular likings. Now, in addition to that, we had to take into consideration the fact that customers spend long hours in these machines every year, and so comfort is very important to them. So we added a swivel seat. This seat provides reduced fatigue for operators unloading grain on the go. We've also enhanced the seat cushion and added ventilation for further comfort. Now with that, customers also told us that visibility is incredibly important to them. So we added additional grain tank mirrors so that customers can see what's going on behind them in the grain tank. We also repositioned the PDU to provide for better visibility onto the front end equipment. Now finally, customers told us that they like to be able to do multiple things as they spend these long hours in the cab. So for those that treat the cab as a mobile office, we provided a convenient cell phone holder as well as 2 additional USB charging stations. Now with all of these changes that we've made, there's still several elements that remain true on these machines. For that, I'll turn it back over to Cindy.
So with this new level of innovation, the technology, the automation, we're able to take harvesting to the next level. But we've built all of those new features into the proven S-Series Combine. Proven quality, proven harvest performance. When Randy talked to you this morning, he said this S-Series has been in the market since 2012, but we've continued to evolve it, touching most major areas of the combine, resulting in a 15% increase in performance since it was launched in 2012. I want to talk you through 3 of the major recent enhancements to this S-Series Combine. First, we added the Dynaflow Plus cleaning shoe that has increased our customers' capacity by 10% in corn and 13% in wheat and canola, while reducing tailings volume by 28%. Second, we've added in the option of active concave isolation, which features hydraulic cylinders that hold those concaves steady in tough threshing conditions. Now what that does for customers is it reduces cab noise, but it increases their capacity. And third, we've added platform tilt to these machines as well, which helps our customers extend their harvest day by up to 1 hour by allowing them to control the pitch or the fore-aft of their header from the cab 17 degrees. That allows them to better address crop condition changes or down crop. There's no better place on the combine to transition into front end than right there at platform tilt. We're excited to tell you about our 2 new pieces of front end equipment